In this video, I'll show you how to use the screener to find meme coins. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, this video basically is an educational video only, so I'm going to share my thoughts on what you should know, right? So the very basic first thing you need to do right now is that if you want to find meme coins on the screener, at first you can find them either by how new they are, right? You can find them by volume. You can find them by gainers and a whole lot of things. So let's say I want to find the newest meme coins that are launched right now. I'll change this to 5 minutes. Click it to 5 minutes, right? Click this to new page. I think as I've switched it to new page now, you can see there's a whole lot of tokens. This token is launched just a minute ago, right? These tokens are launched in minutes, right? So this is basically how you can find the meme coins, and you can run this through on other chains, right? Not only on Solana. If I click on Ethereum with the same filter, I guess you'd see, okay, you can come on here, click on 5 minutes, click on 5 minutes. You can see this token is launched. Okay, and now we go. So I think, okay, let me say I'll switch this to new pairs, to newest. Yeah, you can see this token is launched just 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes, 14 minutes, 16 minutes, 18 minutes, and that is how it goes all through. You can also come on here, you can click on this new pairs, right? If you click on this new pairs, it will be displayed with every meme coins launched on every blockchain, right? So from here you can be able to change this through to 5 minutes. Once you do this, you'll be filtered with every new meme coins launched, right? So change this from this to, I think you change this to 48 hours to 5 minutes, right? Okay, sorry, to newest. You change it to newest, and I think everything that will come out would be, yeah, you can see these are the meme coins from every blockchain, both Solana, Base, Ton, Arbitrum, Polygon, Hyperliquid, SEO, BSC, and all of them. So it is basically how you can find meme coins, right? So another way you can find meme coins is if you can basically copy the meme coin address or the meme coin contract address. You can come on here, you can paste the meme coin, right? Paste the meme coin, you can search for it. Let's say I can come on here, I can search for let me say 2025. Okay, let me say 2024, right? I want to use this as an instance. So if you search for the token here, you can be able to manually search it and the token would come out, right? You can find it manually, you can find it if you filter the pair very good. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. If you got some questions you want to ask me, ensure you do that below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.